And this is why you always respect bikers on the road.
Hey! Hey!
Even the smallest mistake can cause a serious injury or a tragic end for a biker. This angry driver tailgated the bikers and honked at them multiple times, clearly looking for trouble. But when they stopped at a red light, one of the bikers immediately lost his temper.
Get on the bike, get on the bike. We can try it right now. We can try it right now. We can try it right now. Shit. God damn it, Chris.
Studies show that most motorcycle crashes happen when a car cuts them off. This exact move furious the biker, who immediately smashed the car's mirror with his leg. The guy in the white car was swerving and trying to split up the bike group, so one biker answered by taking out his mirror.
Holy shit.
A car passed so close it nearly hit the biker, who promptly rewarded the driver for his terrible driving. Cutting off a biker on a right turn instantly backfired on this driver.
I think you can make it. What the Oof.
Retaliating with a mirror smash is one thing, but trying to run the biker over is just insane. After getting cut off on a busy road, this angry biker chased down a bus driver and smashed the mirror with his gloved fist. A simple ride turned chaotic when the driver of this white SUV, completely unprovoked, started causing trouble for everyone on the highway. I'm not trying to justify smashing mirrors, but a lot of drivers bring this on themselves by being completely careless.
The f are you doing? You see me making a left? Are you joking me? I was making a left turn. Did you not see me?
No, I didn't see
You didn't see me. I was making it. You had to stop. And did you not see?
This biker captured two different situations where he ended up smashing mirrors out of pure frustration with reckless drivers. The driver's terrible driving is exactly what led to his window getting smashed by the biker.
What's up, motherfucker? Pull the fuck over. Pull over.
Flytt deg på siden da, du skal på høyre siden av veien, du står på venstre siden av veien.
Hva er det du driver med for noe? kjørte over foten min, kjenner jeg er helt syk i huet, eller? Du kjørte over foten min! Er du helt syk i huet? Er du helt syk i huet? Du kjører ikke over folk, gutte! Kjør inn til sida! Kjør inn til sida!
I'm not trying to defend the biker here, especially since he attacked a woman, but her actions definitely pushed him to the limit. Still, there's no real excuse for his behavior. If you think otherwise, let me know in the comments. When you're riding, safety gear is everything. Sharing the road with a distracted driver isn't a question of if, but when. And many riders crash through no fault of their own. Gear won't prevent the accident, but it will determine how you walk away from it. Imagine throwing a temper tantrum just because a biker didn't move the instant the light turned green. Some people really need to learn how to chill.
With me.
Everybody makes mistakes, but a simple apology goes a long way. It almost always de-escalates the tension.
What is wrong with you?
Well, he really should have fucking given way, do you know what I mean? Oh, it's not our problem.